Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will be telling you how you can send USDT from your Binance wallet to your RoyalQ wallet. And for that you will need Binance and RoyalQ. So go to your wallet on Binance, click on withdraw, search for USDT, send via crypto network, and for the address we will go to RoyalQ, click on mine on RoyalQ, then click on assets, click on deposit, again deposit, and copy this address so we can paste it over on Binance. Open Binance and paste this address here. The network is TRC as far as I remember. So network is TRC20. So make sure that you use the same network here. Scroll down a little bit and you will see TRC20 address here. Confirm this address and type in the amount that you want to withdraw, and then just click on withdrawals, and that's how you transfer USDT from your Binance account to your RoyalQ account. Hit that like button if this video was helpful, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.